Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adopting a strong, athletic stance with knees bent and hips over your toes. Make sure protective gear and the brake are secure. Once set, shift most of your weight onto the front skate while keeping the back skate light and ready. Now point the back skate slightly outward and lower its heel to engage the brake or initiate a T-stop. You feel friction start to slow you. Keep shoulders square and eyes forward so you control direction as you develop the stop. Once you have initial drag, increase braking gradually so you don't skid. Make sure pressure rises smoothly rather than snapping down. Rotate the dragging skate outward about 20 to 45 degrees to expose more rubber or wheel surface and create steady friction. At the same time, use the front skate's inside edge for balance and subtle steering. This prevents spinning out. If you need more stopping power, widen your stance slightly and lean a bit back while maintaining low knees, so the stop stays controlled and stable. To complete the stop, sustain the drag until your speed is almost zero, and then ease pressure gradually rather than releasing abruptly. This prevents a skid or stumble. Once slow, bring both skates parallel, bend your knees deeper, and center your weight evenly to regain a neutral stance. If you need to start rolling again, push gently with the back skate and transition weight forward. Troubleshooting tip: if you wobble or spin, lower your center of gravity and make smoother pressure adjustments to regain balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.